is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Join me as today we're going to make this beast from sounding like this to this. So as you guys can hear this exhaust, we're going to be unboxing the Akropoviç exhaust and installing it to this bike. I can't wait to hear it all. I probably gave you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of what it sounds like, but guys, I can't wait. So join me as we unbox that, put it on this Daytona 660, and unleash the beast that this bike can be. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on the other side of the camera, unbox the exhaust. If you guys like the video, drop a quick like, consider subscribing. Let me know, guys, any of you guys who have a Daytona 660 like me, what you guys are wanting to see. I do have a couple other things in the works. Guys, if you guys are like me, this windscreen sucks so much as the stock one. So in the future video, we're going to be replacing this one with a better one, a more aerodynamic one. So that way, when you guys are riding this upcoming summer, you guys can get a little bit more protected from the wind. Because in my opinion, this one sucks. I can't wait to get rid of it. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and unbox the exhaust, and let's get straight to the install. First and foremost, I want to give a quick shout out to MT Motorsports or MT Moto. They ended up selling this exhaust about $300-400 cheaper. I bought it on Black Friday. Main reason why I ended up getting, because I've been keeping an eye out on this exhaust. There's not many manufacturers that currently make an exhaust for the Daytona 660. A lot of them make it for the Triumph 660, but guys, please do me a favor, do not buy one that's meant for the Triumph 660, because that has one O2 sensor and the Daytona 660 has two. So you got to be very cognizant of getting the right exhaust. So first and foremost, I've already took some of the stuff out. So one, you get the installation guide, which I'm very glad that they give that. Let's see. Here's your manufacturer's warranty. I do have to say though that this took forever to get in. I did buy this from, like I said, EM Moto. I don't know why I said ET or MT. I don't know what I said, but it's EM Moto, and they are based out of Italy. So this actually came across the country and took forever to get here. Had to go through customs, but it was cheaper, so I said, why not? They give you this, and one thing to look out for is it does say here Daytona 660. This is for a 24, mine's a 25, but it doesn't really matter. This bag. Apologies, I am a little sick, by the way. So it comes with what I'm assuming is an O2 extender. This is what I'm gonna assume. And it comes with one bag with all your additional things for the exhaust. Like these are little, I don't want to say clamps, but whatever you want to call these. It has a bolt sealant. Oh, okay, so also comes with like blue Loctite. Cool. Well, those fell off. Then these two are little adapters for what I'm assuming are going to be the O2 sensors. So little adapters. I'm not sure if really why I need that. And then one thing additionally to the exhaust you definitely need to buy, and I'm not really sure why they don't sell it with the kit to begin with, which is astonishing to me. But you guys are gonna need to buy this. This is a little relocation kind of thing. Not relocation, but this helps. So this goes into the foot peg, and then this is where you're actually gonna bolt the muffler or the little exhaust piece at. So you need to buy this. It's about roughly 60 bucks. I don't know why this thing costs that much, but I mean, when you're buying a full exhaust, you want to make sure everything is seated correctly and is in place. And then originally this was the instructions actually came in here, and it was sealed up very, very nicely. Like I said, I've already looked through the instructions just to see what I need. I haven't really looked at the exhaust quite yet, so we'll do that together. Also, guys, let me know this in the comment section below, but I'm astonished how much this exhaust costs, because for the same price, roughly $1,200, $1,300, you can buy a full catback exhaust for a car, which is more material, in my opinion, probably more R&D. So I'm a little shocked that this actually costs this much. And this thing right next to me, which is obviously my bike, is one expensive hobby. But either way, I already knew I was going to plan on doing this in the future, sooner or later, just because I love things to have a good tone and a good sound. So this is the only thing that I actually unboxed and unraveled. And I'll tell you guys why, but this is going to be what I would consider the mid-pipe. And again, everything is packaged so good. So you have your 3 collector, because obviously if you guys don't know, the Daytona is inline 3. But yeah, this is where it connects to the headers portion, and then this is where it connects back to the muffler. But the reason why I ended up looking at it is because I wanted to confirm, because again, they make 2 variations of this, and it's the exact same for the Trident and for the Daytona 660. The only difference is, like I mentioned, right here, you got one bung here and then another bung here. And again, these are crucial that you have, because these are for your O2 sensors. Your bike needs both of them, especially if you're in a Daytona 660. If you're in a Trident 660, make sure you buy the one specific for that, because it's only going to come with one. But this is exactly why you need to ensure that you guys are buying the right products from the right people, because to me, I was really worried about that. In additional, people are saying you can buy the Trident 660 exhaust, and you can, but obviously your bike is not going to run correctly. That being said, guys, Akrapovič does state that you do not, I repeat, you do not need a tune for this. Currently, I am not getting a tune for the bike. I'm gonna install the exhaust, turn it on, show you guys how it sounds, and then putting it back up for winter. I bought this exhaust prematurely for the next riding season, and I do plan on doing this with DNK, which is pretty much the people who do it for Triumph. However, they did state at my local Triumph, and they reached out to them personally, they do not have the mapping and or everything yet to be able to tune the Trident 6, not the Trident 660, but the Daytona 660, which is why, for the moment, I'm going to be leaving this with the base tune, or the base ECU. So this, once again, comes with a lot more springs. How to make sure you don't mix those up. And then, of course, this is going to be the collector slash header. Like I said, as you can see, I'm unraveling it with you guys, so I don't know really how it is, but I'm sure it's going to be real nice. Interesting. So I've always wondered how this design is, but look. So you have these slide back and forth. I don't know if this is kind of like supposed to be a coating or something, but it's interesting because these are actually, yeah, I was about to say, I can actually just remove these. Like, I can take these apart. Interesting. These have a baffle system. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a hole in there and you can actually see through. So exhaust actually does flow through each other. So that is very, very interesting. So you definitely want these to be tightly compact, and the exhaust goes through these. And then, of course, you'll have your collector here. A very, very interesting design. I don't know which part of these pipes are titanium, but part of this is titanium, which I look forward to see what part, because if you guys know titanium, as it cools, as it goes through heat cycles, it will end up changing colors. Alrighty, guys, here's the meat and potatoes, what we all came looking for. This is going to be the muffler unit. I mean, I've already seen it in pictures and everything, but it's a lot smaller in person than I was expecting. Again, I come from the car community where things are huge, especially mufflers. Let's go ahead and unravel this. And would you look at that? That is very nice. I'm pretty sure this is what's titanium, or like part of this. And let's look at, I don't know if you're able to take out any of this baffle. Probably not, unless you take out the rivets, which honestly I don't want to mess with. It comes with a little, let's see what this says. The little tag that states, this product does not meet emission compliance requirements for the street and highway. Good thing we're only using this for the track. But look at that, that's gonna look so nice. Oh, this muffles a lot. Hello. Yeah, this is a huge muffle. Ah! Yeah, oh yeah, this. Ah! Yeah, this muffles quite a bit, honestly. But Either way, it doesn't really matter. I think this is going to give it a nice tone. The website does state that it's going to be louder, and obviously this exhaust is probably going to be way lighter. So it's a mixture of loudness and lightness, so I think it's a win-win. But we got this in hand as well. Let me not scratch this before I even install it. And that's going to be the unboxing of it. Let's go ahead and start uninstalling stuff on the Daytona 660. Install that, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. I don't know if this is going to be either a montage of me uninstalling it, if I'm going to do a walkthrough, because they gave you the instructions. So if you want to do this, I probably won't show you guys how I did it. We might just jump straight to me buttoning things up, and then you guys hearing the first cold start. So if you guys wanted to see an installation, I'm sorry. I don't think I'm going to do that, but I don't know yet. Either way, let's go ahead and jump cut to whatever comes next. See you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, so we've just ran into a very, very interesting thing that leaves me a little worried. Something that I'm honestly going to end up contacting the dealership about for this bike, because something tells me something may be wrong with my bike. So online and everything else states that this engine should have two O2 sensors, and that is why the new mid-pipe has two O2 sensors as well. However, we've literally just dropped the exhaust, and look what we just found out. So on the front end, I do have the bung for the first O2 sensor, and for the second one, I don't know what the heck they did, but this bike did not come with a second O2 sensor. And here, even on Akropovich's stuff, as you can see, there's supposed to be one right there where that thing is. So for my bike, it looks like they capped it out, which really, really worries me, and I don't know if that means this bike is going to run optimally or not. So I'm going to record this, send it to the dealership, and see what happens, because to me this is a big red flag. Like, I should have the front one and the rear one. I don't know what this does with tuning, with air fuel ratio, anything like that, but that has me worried, not gonna lie. That really has me worried. So I'm gonna record it on my phone, and then I'm still gonna install it. What I'm probably gonna do is take that cap, put it on the rear, and tell Triumph, like, hey, this is what I found. I don't know what the heck you guys did, or I mean, is this normal? Because again, all the research I showed, there should be an O2 sensor right there, and even the installation from Akrapovič shows that there should be an O2 sensor there. So has me very, very worried. But also, guys, that exhaust is heavy as heck, so we're definitely saving some weight by going to the Akrapovič one. But anyways, I'm gonna keep chugging along. I'll let you guys know whenever I do the first start. And yeah, let's go ahead and continue. Let me set this correctly. Continue the install. So yeah, we are in gear. Let's put this in neutral. That was up to 8K RPM, not too shabby. But now let's get into how this beast is gonna sound with the Akrapovič exhaust. And you let me know, stock or Akrapovič exhaust. Let me know. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get the first cold start on this Daytona 660. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Closer look. there you guys have it for this video. Today we're not going to be doing any drive-bys or anything like that yet. I'm gonna let the bike settle, kind of do its own thing, and then whenever we take it to Triumph to be able to do the decaying tune, we should be able to get this a more alive. But dude, this sounds so freaking amazing. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Guys, if you guys have a Daytona 660, I'm pretty confident that Akropoviç exhaust is the way to go. It sounds so much better, and I can't wait to hear screaming whenever we're redlining and everything else. That being said, hopefully you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy holidays. And that being said, you gotta grind to shine. That being said, have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out.